Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'll show you one tool that is the mother of everything. Every tool, like this tool will help you to generate image, this tool will help you to generate blog post and also generate audio, then also generate everything. Like you can use it for ChatGPT as well, and also you can use it like AI article writer, and also the keyword researcher tool, and also the keyword making tool, everything. Okay, let me show you one by one. Here you can see I opened the website. So when you will be in the website, then you can see here is the dashboard of this website. Okay, this website name is Writesonic.com. you can check it from Google. Now if you want to use it, then you need to wait and also see the full video so that you can use it one by one and also use the full data. Okay, now here you can see the option for history. In the history option, you can watch how much work you have done in this site. And if you click on the ChatSonic, this is the newer version of ChatGPT. You can use it like a ChatGPT. If you search here with this information, like write an article for me according to how to beat type 2 diabetes in 1000 words. If you click on this, and if you want to improve this prompt, then you can see here an option, improved prompts. If you click on it, then this tool automatically generate a prompt for you. Just think about it, how the tool is advanced. You can see this tool, this is the prompt. Your prompt was just one line and he give you the best prompt. Now you can click on the send option. Then you can see this ChatSonic will give you a full information about the prompt that you have sent to him. Just wait and then he will give you the full information. Just a moment, let me check. And he is searching in the web, and after that creating the canvas. Now you can see certainly here is the option, and he give me a command. I had to create a comprehensive. Okay, let me check. This is the full comprehensive design according to my prompt, and you can see the type 2 diabetes, HB1C, how to continuously grow it, or everything in the conclusion option as well. And you can see I have created a comprehensive 100 words article on managing potentially. Now you can see here is the information and here is the tool. Okay, so this tool will work as a chat or as a ChatGPT. Okay, now I'm copying this because it will work for me in the later time. Let me copy this, and now you can see you have another option here, improving writing. By clicking on this, then you can see they are improving my writing. If there will be a mistake, okay, you can use it, but look, you have just 25 credits for using it for free, but you can use lots of Gmails, lots of working details. Then you can check it. Here you can see they right now improved this design and improved this text and everything. So I go back from this and I'm going to the ChatSonic, and also here is my dashboard. You can use right now ChatSonic like me, and now I'm going to the another option to show you. Here you can see AI article writer. If you click on this AI article writer, you have seen there are 3 options like 10 steps article, 4-step article, instant article. But you need to think about the credits as well. You have just 25 credits, and if you want to use one article from here, then click to start and it will take 20 credits from me. Here is the topic according to my article. Okay, I'm giving an option here, write an article for me according to how to beat type 2 diabetes in 100 words. Okay, where will be my targeted audience location? I'm targeting the United States, or if you want to change the location, then you can change it from here. And your article language, if you want to generate the language based, you are living in Sweden, you are living in France, then you can generate your own languages. Okay, you can just select the language from here, Bulgarian, Czech, Spanish, Turkish, everything. After that, quality setting, if you want to do the elite quality, then you can use 100 credits, and if you want to do the superior, then 20. Then if you want to do the good option, then it will take 10 credits from you. Just I am opening the goods because I don't have enough credits, because I need to show you another methods and also expense the credits. Okay, after doing this, just click on continue. Then it will take some time. Then you can see research method, AI web research or custom source. I will select AI web research, then click on continue. Then you can see in article type will be new article, and also everything is good. The continue option, add your own. If you want to add here any kind of URL or anything, then you can use. Now you can see top ranking articles. I'm just selecting some of the articles from here. Then you can go to the continue. Then you can see you need to select here the primary keywords or anything. Okay, but they will uncover the top organic keywords that you can select from here. I am selecting one keyword from here. Here is the reversing. Then clicking on continue. Here you can see they are generating the titles. Then I can select one titles from here. You don't need to write anything. You don't need to do anything. Just you can select one by one. They have suggested, like I am copying this, and if you want to add your own, then you can add your own here. Like I am adding own here. Then you can add another one as well. Okay, but I am not adding here. I'm clicking on continue. Then you can see analyzing competitor keywords. They will do everything. You don't need to do anything. Okay, no result found because I don't have any competitor keywords in this area. But if you want to add your own, like you have known the keywords, then you can use here. Like I'm clicking continue. I need to select here secondary keywords. Just a moment. I am typing one keywords like type 2 diabetes, and if you want, then you can continue. Okay, let's select the add here. Then secondary keywords is added. Now I'm going to the continue option. Then you can see what will be the length for your article. Okay, the length will be 500 to 1000. Then I'll do everything, create article style, everything is good. Now I am clicking on continue. I don't need to select any other here. Now I can select the headings from here, introduction, everything, which you can add your article. You can see they are generating all the introduction and everything. I am going to the continue again, and they just generated outline for me. And now I am generating humanized article. It will be called in beta. I need to purchase the upgrade this version, but I am using include export codes or internal links. I am using this. And after that, photo, if you want to generate a cover photo for this, then you can check the size for this. And also if you want to generate the photo, illustration, watercolor or anime, everything. Okay, generate FAQ as well, and include call to action. Like I don't need to add here. Then continue. Okay, now they are generating the articles. Just 1 minute. I need to wait here because it will take some time to generate the article, because I added here lots of information and they need to analyze it, and after that they need to make it and everything. Okay, here you can see the real-time data is gathering, and also in-depth research. They will check fact checking, citing, and also word length control. They will research the competitor, quote extraction, and everything. Okay, so I need to wait here so that I can generate the information from here. Here you can see they generated the full articles for me with a banner and with all of the headings, you can see. And if you want to start the editing here, then you can, or if you want to download it by clicking on this, it can download it like a PDF wise. So I am doing the citation and as well, and the PDF will be downloaded. Here you can see the PDF is downloaded. And now if you want to start editing from here, then you can start. Don't keep. We don't need to do the citation. Here you can see here is the option for editing. Can you see that I can edit here? I can add another information here. I can, if I want to add other text here, then I can add. Okay, now you can see here is the right option, and here is the tour. You can make a tour how to use it. Okay, and here is the SEO humanizer. If you want to make it another article, then you can generate another article from in the article writer. If you want to make it humanizer, then you can see the full article is here, and you can generate the humanize it. If you click on humanize it, then it will be look like a human writing article. Okay, here you can see he is generating the humanized article. If you want to do the SEO check for this, now you can check the SEO checker by clicking on this. Now you can see here is the option for upload file, add link, and others, but here is the generated article for me. I'm checking this, and one by one, just wait here. I need to wait here to finish this, and after that I will add it here by clicking on next. Okay, I'm clicking on next. Now I'll check the SEO score of this article. Let me check it with you. Just a moment. Let me finish it. Here you can see the article is finished, and now I'm clicking on the basic setting. You can select the country, like your targeted country, and after that content type will be blog and article. Click on next. Then the keywords, which keywords will be ranked for. So I am selecting these keywords like they suggested to me, or if you want to add here your own keywords, then you can check here. Okay, so I am using start analyzing. Now you can see it will be working on my checking the full SEO score of this article. Just they are starting the analysis. Wait here, because this tool is the best. You can generate the articles, you can generate the full score, you can generate the FAQs, you can generate the picture, everything you can use it. Here you can see the suggested score is 61 out of 100. So if your score will be over 70 plus or 60 plus or 55 plus, then you can take it, or then you can talk about it. This is good article. Okay, now you can see the competitor and everything is there, and I have generated 2813 words. Headings is 10, paragraphs 51, images 2, and here are the competitor keywords, and here are the long tail keywords and common competitor terms. Everything is there. Okay, now if I go to the home option, let me check, maybe later, just a moment. I'm doing it again. I'm going to the home option again. Here is the home. Now you can see here is the site audit option. If you want to audit your site, then you can make it from here. Just add your website here and audit site. Then it will show how many issues are there. If I show you one website, let me show you the Boostify one website. This website is another website. This website will help you to make your website faster and also make your website SEO wise working, and it will help you to like do the AI SEO. You don't need to the manual SEO, because this tool has the option for doing the AI SEO. Here you can see I am clicking on audit site and use the SEO and component agent. Here you can see I need to go to the beta option because I don't have any paid plan here. Okay, you can check it by this. Here you can see the site audit is in progress, so we need to wait minimum of 5 minutes to see the result, but it is showing. The site health of boostify.com is 71, and also domain rating is 16. Everything is good. Backlinks 231 and referring domains 47, and title too long. Everything they will be show to here. Content quality is good, no issue found. Social reach and everything is there, and everything is fine for this website. You can check the site audit as well for this. And if you want to review issues here, how many issues are there, then they will show to you, and after that you can check it from here. Okay, how many issue you have audit from your website. And if you want to do the research, if you want to click on the research, then you can do the keyword research from this site. If I click on keyword research, then you can see here is the option for searching the keywords. Uses just 1 credit for purchase. Okay, let me show you. Suppose identify the best ranking keywords. I am doing the type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes. Typing here, then you can see identify keywords. This is my seed keyword. If I click on this, you can see there are the search volume in United States is 82,000 plus. Okay, now you can see the type 2 diabetes of the volume is very good, competition is very low, and intent, and all the keywords are there. And there are the SERP preview, like search preview. You can see search engine preview. Here is the option for the type 2 diabetes org and everything. Okay, and here are the keywords. You can use these keywords for your website. And if you go to the next option, then you can see all of the keywords are here. You can see here are the keyword volume in this site, and competition in the intent, and trend is everything here. Okay, you can use these keywords for free only. Okay, and you can check the keywords volume here. Keywords volume is in the your seed keyword volume is in green mark area. Green mark area means it is good. Okay, and after that cost per click is very low, 0.07 is very cheap. So this is not high, it is also in green mark area. Okay, you can use it. And here is the same terms and related keywords, rank keywords, and also competitor terms keyword. You can see the volume is very good, so you can use these keywords for your website and also for your blog or others. Okay, you can use it. And also answer the people topic cluster. You can generate the topic cluster from here also by typing your seed keyword type 2 diabetes. I am typing here, let me check again, type 2 diabetes. You can see create cluster, then they will creating a cluster keywords for you. Here you can see the cluster, and here are the top ranking keywords for you. this will be showing you like supported pages or others. Okay, and here you can see one by one pages, everything is here, and search intent, IC, average difficulty, and also the writing option. If you want to generate any kind of article, then you can see all the information is here for the keywords. Like each keywords has an option here, write article. You can see the article information is here, and also the keywords is here. And if you want to continue, or if you want to do the good option, you can click on continue. Now you can generate the article in the previous term that I have shown to you. Okay, here is the information, so I don't need to generate the information here. If you want to optimize content, here you can see the SEO checker is here. So the SEO checkers is already shown to you because you know how to check the SEO. Okay, now if I go to the others option, here you can see the information. I am going to the dashboard again. Here you can see optimize content, repurpose, and reporting. Reporting means your full website working process. If you connect your Google account here, then they will automatically connect it to your webmaster tool like search console. Then after that you can see total clicks, total impression, average CTR, average position, and your top keywords here, top keyword changes, and everything from here. Okay, this tool is very helpful for you, and also you can use this tool for every time, for everything. Okay, and this tool has a free option, but if you want to make it pro, then you can get it started for free, or you can click on these, and after that you can make it pro. Okay, you can use it for free for the first time. Here you can see the premium feature. Click on upgrading now, and you can see the subscription here for free is 0, and the monthly is just 16 individually. Okay, and the standard is 79 per month. This is very small budget. Okay, you can use it for free, and also you can use it for paid version. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and also you learned something from this video. And if you feel this video is good and you have learned something from this video, then hit the subscribe button and also comment good. Thank you.